What's up everyone? Welcome to another episode of Forge and Foam. This video is going to be a little bit different. I'm more or less just showcasing some props I had made on my own time. I don't have any DIY videos of these. Most of the templates I found online. Some of it I did myself. But anyways, here's the Stormbreaker I had made. It's very similar to the one that Odin Makes had made on his channel. There's a few differences, mostly in the handle of this, but other than that, it turned out pretty good. And the next thing I made was Captain America's shield. It looks a little rough, and reason for that is I hadn't actually planned on making it battle damaged and all war torn and all this. But as I was painting it, I had the plasti dip on there, and I had it all taped off. And as I was peeling the tape off, the plasti dip actually peeled off in certain places too, and it left a kind of nasty little texture in certain places. So I decided to just make it look like it'd been through hell and back. Here's some scratches I had made from Black Panther in the Civil War movie. I just used an X-Acto blade for that. But here it is. I mean, the backside I had set up 4 straps so that it would be wearable, but I ended up changing my mind and just making it so that I could just hang it up on my wall. And these are just Captain America's other shields from Infinity War. There's not much to them, just followed a template online, just put some lazy little straps on the back just so I could wear them if I wanted to, and they work just fine. But that's that. Oh, like I said, sorry I don't have any DIY videos for you on this. I just wanted to showcase. Other than that, hope you liked it. If so, leave a like and be sure to subscribe. I will have more videos coming up soon. I guess that's it. Thanks for watching.